Dr. Chin, the state economist, I heard him speak 2 weeks ago, and he said that, we're usually looking at an 8-year cycle like the last one. He thinks we'll have a longer cycle this time. Then he went all through these numbers on why, and I don't remember why he said why. I just remember longer, and I was happy. Right. And I quote him. Yes.
What would define a real estate cycle if you're explaining that to someone?
I would go with 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. That's the easiest way to
If it goes all
expand
from
it.
1 through 4 and back around.
Yeah.
Okay.
Neighborhoods will do that in a shorter period of time. I always ask you. Let's see. Everyone's gonna look away now. I'm still gonna ask Rick, how's the market?
It's great. I've got a question for you though.
Okay, what's the question? What's the question? So Rick wants to know if Paul Brubaker with TZ Economics is saying in the next two and a half years, the median sales price is going to go up to 850,000, an increase in 200,000 from now. What's going to drive that? What can drive that? Supply and demand. So is it going to be demand? It's got to be partly demand. So are there factors over the next 2 years that are going to push demand up and the prices up? Is there anything? Well, rates have to stay low, and they've said they're going to keep rates for longer. They're going to keep it low. What else has to happen? Jobs. More people have to have jobs. You have to have the money. So where does the money come from? The economy, jobs, wealth, carrots. Oh, parents. Parents. I was going to say, I'm going to start buying some carrots. Thea? Right. So what Brubaker's predicting is the median price, right? The one in the middle. And what Thea's saying is, remember the international and second home market, wealth from the mainland U.S., wealth from the international. We have agents in this office that are working with mainland Chinese buyers, which is really a new market coming into Hawaii. The Japanese have been buying all here. So internationally, we've had a lot of people that are coming in with their wealth and buying it. So the world economy makes a difference. Very good point. And then maybe our prices stay kind of kind of the same, and then the high end continues to sell at a higher velocity, so then the median goes up. Let's go to Tammy and then Rick. So Tammy brings a great point up. Population, people want to live in Hawaii. The more people that are moving to Hawaii, and you're saying that it's been shown that in the last census that our population is going up, more people need to live somewhere, and we forgot to build houses. So we're not building as many houses as our growth rate over the last 20, 30 years, so then more demand over supply and prices go up. Great point. Rick? So Rick's point is that international money more so than domestic money. I don't know. I don't know. Here's what I know. I don't have the money. That's what I know. So it's coming from somewhere other than this space. Military, yeah, the influx of military that has been caused. Okay, so Leanne's saying military is a big component, and the biggest change in the military over the last year or 2 years is that they're shifting from the other side of the world to the Pacific, which means troops are coming in here. That's the good thing now. The bad thing is, of course, if that always shifts back, and then we'll feel it when it shifts back. Currently, though, the military is driving that demand because was it Okinawa? They're taking troops out of Okinawa and they're going to Guam and Hawaii. So we saw that shift. And they're looking at making the stay here longer, and that could affect us too. Okay, we're going to wrap it up by, I didn't forget, we're still going to ask how's the market. We're still going to do that. Oh, who do I ask? I never asked. Never asked. I don't remember. I know I've asked Neolani. I know I've asked Jan. I've asked Margie. I don't think I've asked you, Christina. How is the market?
Are you buying or are you selling?
I'm sorry, what was that?
Are you buying or are you selling?
Am I buying or am I selling? Good question. Well, I'm thinking about buying. However, I'm worried that I waited too long and prices are now going to go down. And I don't want to buy at the top of the market.
I have no clue. Sorry.
You have no clue. She's not good under pressure. Don't worry, the camera's not looking at you.
I'm horrible.
Can anyone help her out? Oh my goodness. Like they're not the voice. You guys, they can't hear you. They only can hear me because I have the microphone on. Don't worry, Margie. Okay, so you're quoting Paul Brubaker with TZ Economics that he's saying the next couple of years, he expects, and he's the one that studies it, not us. We just watch it. He expects that median sales price for the island is going to go up to $850,000. All right, okay. Good answer. Thea, did you have something to add? Okay, so Thea says it's always a good market to buy a home because if you need a home, a place to live, then we can help you. That's a really good point. And I hear that, we do hear buyers and sellers say, I want to wait till the right time. But with buyers especially, well, if you don't buy now and you miss the market, you may not be able to buy until the next market. And if we say it's 6 to 12 years long, do you want to keep paying your landlord for 6 more years or 12 more years? Do you want to keep living with your family for 6 to 12 more years and dealing with, wake up, you want to deal with that for another 12 years? Right, good. Anyone else have an answer for house market?